So right now, Quant QNT has moved towards the downside in such a sharp manner for the past couple of days, and in today's video we will be discussing exactly why this has happened for the Quant price, my current expectations, and also the important levels to look out for if you are looking to buy into Quant QNT. So if that sounds great to you guys, don't forget to drop like and subscribe in today's video. And without wasting any more of your time, let's begin by analyzing the charts for Quant QNT. So as you guys can see right now, yes, Quant has moved down sharply, and the reason for this is because if you guys take a look at the charts right now, Quant QNT has broken below a very key level of support, which is located at around 131.8 US dollars right here. For the past couple of days, we have seen Quant break below this, and therefore it is now expected to see Quant have a sharp move to the downside as a result. But should you be worried about this current move we're having right now? In my opinion, I believe that we shouldn't be worrying about this. We should not worry about this because if you guys take a look at the longer time frame charts, such as the daily time frame charts, there are more support levels lying below at around 115 US dollars, and there's also another support level at around 108 US dollars. So in my opinion, selling at this point would be very unreasonable because you're essentially selling where the next major support is located at. So if right now you're looking to sell Quant, we would very most likely see Quant have an immediate bounce in the short term. So for now, I believe that holding is the best decision. Obviously not financial advice, but if I was right now holding Quant, I would still hold into my Quant and look to sell the pumps instead of selling the dips, because again, it is completely unreasonable to sell when we're literally trading just above major support levels such as $115 and 108 US dollars. And also considering the fact that the Bitcoin ETF or the Bitcoin Spot ETF news or the Bitcoin Spot ETF is about to be in action, I believe that this is going to be very bullish for the entire crypto market for the long term and in the midterm, and we may potentially see an increase in the price if this Bitcoin Spot ETF does get approved. However, again, if it gets rejected, there are some risks right here, like seeing a deeper pullback to the downside to support at around $92, and that's if the worst case scenario happens. But at the moment, I'm expecting a bounce right now for Quant at the following support levels. Again, I have mentioned $115 is another support I'm expecting a bounce from. If we do break below this, the next support is at 108 US dollars. So these are essentially the two levels of support to look out for at the moment, because we may see a bounce from any of these two. But what are the possible scenarios right now? So essentially in the mid to long term, my view for Quant QNT still remains the same, and that is I'm still expecting Quant to eventually move towards the next major resistance at 176 US dollars. But in order for that to happen, we must first see Quant in the weekly time frame take out these two resistance levels. The first resistance is 131 US dollars, and the next resistance is 148 US dollars. We may be facing some resistance once we do approach these two levels. We may be seeing a rejection from $131, or if we do break above this, we may see a rejection at 148 US dollars, like we have did previously right here. And we have made a warning about this as well. We have mentioned a couple of videos ago for Quant that be warned, we may see a rejection because there is significant resistance at 147. We saw a rejection happen and we essentially moved back to the downside. So right now we have to take out these two resistance levels to move to our ultimate target of 176 US dollars, because that's where this next major resistance zone is located at. But for the short term, if we do move back in the daily time frame, like I've said, at the moment I'm expecting Quant to have a bounce at either of these two support levels. The first support level is $115, and the next support level is 108 US dollars. These are essentially the two support levels to pay close attention to. And in my opinion, these are also good levels to dollar cost average into quant. Obviously, manage your risk, but those are essentially the levels I have been paying close attention to. So that is the quick update for quant. Be sure to, of course, guys, drop like if you enjoyed this video and if you learned something. If this video was insightful, drop like. And all of my links are in the description. If you want to trade Bitcoin and altcoins, I have my affiliate links down below. Do sign up at Bybit. And yeah, thanks for watching.